Hi all, today we are going to see how to customize WooCommerce emails with free plugin. Go to Admin panel, choose Plugins, Add New. In search box enter text, WooCommerce Email Template Designer, or WordPress Email Template Designer. In the list, choose Cadence WooCommerce Email Designer. Install and activate. In WooCommerce menu you can see Email Customizer. Click Email Customizer. It'll redirect you to Front-End Customizer. There you can customize as your wish. With this plugin there are many pre-made templates available. You can choose and edit as per your choice. Here I'm going to use existing different reply templates. I just want to add additional line with some highlighted message to on hold and processing order statuses. In left panel, additional content we can add our own text. In right side we can see live preview of what the user can see while receiving the mail. There is more and more placeholders to show the site content on email. You can use HTML codes to highlight the text content. Here I used bold text and underlined text method to highlight the phone number. Don't forget to save after updating the content. That's all. Hope it's useful for you all. Don't forget to subscribe and share.